Hi guys, this is Daisy. Today I'm gonna show you the new Instagram features in JarveePro. So we go to Instagram, we create a campaign. Let's select repost, and then we select all the accounts. I have 49 accounts which are normal, and the user URL. Let's add an Instagram user URL. For example, this is my URL. So okay, this URL will be used for once. Okay, then we go to text. Let's use auto AI generate comment AI, and at the location you can add US or leave it empty. And if you need the location to be US, you can use it like put very large 100. Then settings, we can save the post URL to a local file, and from here you can select you need to repost image, post video, or both. So I will select post image and post video, and the ratio original. Well, so this one is for you to repost all the posts from the URL, the profile URL. Well, I can customize like repost according to account settings. Well, we only repost like top 4 posts, like the latest 4 posts of the user. Let's add a tag. You can leave this step. Now let's go. So it goes to Instagram. It takes time to search. And then after it searched, then we go to post. Let's see. It's posting my first video. It's a video, but it's black. The second video, say from here. The first one, second one. I don't have any any text from the video. So this is the third one. Let's see the first one, the third one, the first one, this one. See, it generates the text based on my original videos. Okay, shared. Shared. We got 3 success, and soon we got 4. Yeah, we got 4. And just keep going like that. So that's how we do Instagram repost. Thank you for watching. If you need any more tutorial, just tell me. Thank you. Bye.